Namaste to everyone. Today I have something truly special to share with you. A 300 square yard, 4 BHK apartment in New Friends Colony, a prestigious residential area in the heart of South Delhi. But before stepping inside, let me give you a quick glimpse into what makes this neighborhood so special. If you are watching this, chances are you already know about this iconic locality. It's not just a well-known residential area in Delhi, it's a name recognized by many across the country. New Friends Colony is an address people aspire to live, a dream for many, and home to some of the most influential people of this country. This colony stands proud right on Mathura Road in the heart of South Delhi. Lush green, wide roads, top-notch connectivity, and a well-established social infrastructure makes it a perfect place to call it a home. Before stepping inside this beautiful apartment in New Friends Colony, let me give you a quick look to the building itself. As you enter, you are welcomed into a stilt area where you get covered and reserved parking for your cars. As we move forward from the stilt area, we get an elevator that takes us to the first floor, and that is where the magic begins. As soon as we enter this elegant apartment, we come across this grand wooden door. And the first place that we encounter is a perfect place for Mandir with ample storage space all around. Next, you walk into a large drawing-cum-dining room which has 2 air conditioners here and an attached balcony which is not large enough to sit out but good enough to stand and enjoy the fresh air. Now, just next to the drawing-cum-dining room, here is the first bedroom, which has a wardrobe right here. And the balcony that I showed you before is also attached to this room. There's an air conditioner here, and we have an attached washroom, which is right here. Now, let's move towards the kitchen. This seems to be a perfect place for cooking your healthy meals. You will find a place here for a big size refrigerator. Everything is laid out in a manner that will make your cooking experience perfect. Now, further moving here, you have an open space and you can use it the way you like, be it a study place or just a chill zone. You have an air conditioner here. And as we move forward from here, you'll see our second bedroom. We have a wardrobe here, we have an air conditioner here, and we have an attached washroom in this bedroom. Now, as we enter our third bedroom, which is bigger in size as compared to the first two, has a wardrobe here, you have an air conditioner right here, and you have an attached washroom here. Now, as we enter our fourth bedroom, which is mirroring the same features as the first three, you have a wardrobe right here, you have an air conditioner and an attached washroom here. In addition to that, you'll find an open space here, which seems to be a perfect place for laundry. Now, this elegant apartment in New Friends Colony is available for rent, and the asking is 1,25,000 rupees per month. If you are interested in this property and would like to have a tour of this place, I'll be more than happy to assist you. You can get in touch with me at the number mentioned on the screen, and it's also mentioned in the description below. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who might be looking for a dream home. See you in my next video. Until then, take care of your health and your family.